So,
Cool.
until that's resolved, I talked to you later again.
Right. Okay.
Hey,
Great. Awesome. So I'll get your number from
so you said you could give me a press before I go?
Okay.
Oh,
Yeah.
Fine.
I
Hi.
forgot to bring it.
Oh, well, it's okay. You don't have to, tomorrow in the morning I'll pick it up.
No, you talking about the 100 books, right? Yeah, please.
And I was thinking that we just do it an hour, but I was thinking for the first 30 minutes we
All right, I'm like standing right. I keep doing that. You need a kick me or something.
Remember I told you, like when I saw my computer, kind of like tight, like it was like a squirrely, I got to sit on it.
Oh, okay.
Some people lost their. Yeah, I made $140 in 45 seconds.
That's awesome.
That's great.
Cop was watching me the whole time. I'm like, why didn't this? Yeah. I'm like, why didn't you help them out? You're just watching them.
Yeah, really.
And then as soon as I was done, the cop just like gets out and he's on his phone. He's just staring at me. And I'm just like, oh.
They're supposed to let people out. Yeah. I don't know if they have those kids.
I'm gonna move this chair to them They won the chili fest.
Hey, 1 second.
Bird dogs that made the chili.
When was it?
I don't know, like last month, I think.
Can I have seconds?
It was good, huh?
It is. Thank you. I'll make one of those too. Thanks, Mark.
Right?
Hey, who's this dog that's attacking Court?
Not attacking, he's playing with me. I know, I called Court over here and he went back over there.
My buddy.
Court?
Come here.
Oh, you're Ernie.
Azalea here?
No, she said
Perfect.